Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Steam tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to disable Steam notifications, for example for friends or the chat. This is actually quite simple. First I open Steam, click on Steam at the top left and go to Settings. Here I switch to the Notifications tab and find a large selection of settings. At the top I can first set whether I want to receive notifications at all, whether they are switched off while I'm in game or whether they should completely be deactivated. I can also set whether a sound should be played for a message. For this video I will now switch off all notifications. Take a look at all settings if you want, because Steam notifications are also messages that are related to this little bell and you can find them down here. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.